guys, Sam here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at 1968 to 1972 GM A-body armrest bases by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These outstanding reproductions feature highly defined Madrid grain just like the factory. Each part is injection molded from factory specifications and redesigned to fit our urethane molded or original style GM armrest pads perfectly. We offer all the standard factory colors and even offer a paint to finish version for those looking for more of a custom look. In addition, we have featured these bases on several of our in-house cars, including our 1968 GTO and 1972 Chevelle SS, both of which took home the GM Best Restored Car of the Year award at the SEMA Trade Show in Las Vegas back in 2007 and 2008. Many years have passed and they both show no signs of fading or wear. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to give us a follow for more updates and product features. And for more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.